Coriander. What a little flavor bomb. Love it or hate it, this herb packs a punch. From the bustling street markets of Bangkok to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, coriander adds that special something to countless dishes. Some folks reckon it tastes a bit soapy, but trust me, that's just part of its charm. Now, coriander isn't just about the flavor. This little leaf is a nutritional powerhouse. We're talking vitamins, antioxidants, the works. It's like Mother Nature's own little helper. In Indian curries, it adds a final flourish, while in Mexican salsas, it brings the zing. Vietnamese pho wouldn't be the same without a generous sprinkle of coriander, and in Moroccan tagines, it adds a touch of exotic mystery. It's amazing how one little herb can transport your taste buds to far-flung corners of the globe. I chuck it in salads, stir-fries, even my morning smoothie. It's become my secret weapon in the kitchen. Let's talk about what coriander can do for you. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, it's like a multivitamin in every bite. And don't even get me started on the antioxidants. These little guys are fighting off those nasty free radicals. Coriander is a digestive aid, helping your body break down food and absorb all those good nutrients. Feeling a bit stressed? Coriander can help with that too. Its natural calming properties can ease anxiety. And here's a little secret. Coriander can even help regulate your blood sugar levels. It's also been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved heart health. So go ahead, sprinkle that coriander with confidence. One of the things I love most about coriander is its versatility. In Indian cuisine, coriander is the king of curries, adding a fresh, citrusy counterpoint to the warmth of spices. Hop over to Mexico and you'll find coriander playing a starring role in salsas, guacamole, and tacos. Its bright, zesty flavor cuts through the richness of avocados and adds a refreshing kick to spicy dishes. And let's not forget about Vietnamese pho, where coriander adds a final flourish of flavor to the fragrant broth. In the Middle East, coriander is a staple ingredient in tagines, stews, and salads. Its earthy, aromatic notes complement the rich flavors of lamb, dried fruits, and spices. In China, coriander is often used in stir-fries, soups, and marinades, adding a fresh, herbaceous dimension to savory dishes. I'll admit, I wasn't always a coriander convert. As a kid, I used to pick it out of my food. The taste was just too strong for my undeveloped palate. But as I got older and started experimenting more in the kitchen, I began to appreciate its unique flavor. One day I was making a big batch of guacamole for a party. I'd forgotten to buy coriander, so I decided to give it a go without. Big mistake. The guacamole tasted flat and lifeless. It was missing that essential something. I raced to the shops, grabbed a big bunch of coriander, and added it to the mix. The transformation was incredible. From that day on, I was a coriander believer. I started adding it to everything: salads, soups, stews, even my morning eggs. My food tasted brighter, fresher, and more exciting. Coriander has even helped me impress a few dates. There's nothing like a home-cooked meal with fresh herbs to win someone over. So, what are you waiting for? Get on the coriander train. It's easy to incorporate into your cooking, and the benefits are endless. Sprinkle it on salads, soups, and stews for a pop of flavor and a nutritional boost. Use it to brighten up dips, sauces, and marinades. Add it to smoothies for a refreshing twist. Coriander pairs well with a wide range of ingredients, from spicy chilies to creamy avocados to zesty citrus fruits. Freshly picked coriander tastes even better than the store-bought stuff, and it's incredibly satisfying to grow your own. So, go on, embrace the coriander craze. Add a touch of magic to your meals and reap the rewards of this incredible herb. Want more game-changing tips and tricks to revolutionize your cooking? Subscribe to our channel for a constant stream of delicious recipes, healthy hacks, and culinary inspiration. Let's get cooking!